Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to connect and create a database to your PHP file using the command line interface. So as we can see guys, so we have already created our simple data store. So let's see it in the browser. Refresh. So we see the error because we don't have database yet. So okay, here, then first thing we're going to open the amps. Okay, we should turn it on first. Okay, it's already turned on, and then we'll go to our file explorer. Let's go to amps, MySQL, and Bean. Click here and then type cmd. So that's it. So the first thing we do, we're going to input MySQL -u as a username, and then our username will be root, and then password. So our password is MySQL. It is the default for the SQL server we use. MySQL server we use, just like amps. And then -h, or the host, local host. Click enter. Okay, we're going to input our password, MySQL. Okay, so we are inside the database, is SQL. So the first thing we do, we're going to show all database. Okay, databases. So we don't have our database yet, so let's create a database. So let's name it okay, create database. So the name of our database is sample. Okay, so show databases. So we see now here there's a sample database, so let's use this sample database. Use sample. Okay, so let us create a table. So create table. So now our table will be data. So inside our data is id, int auto increment primary key, the name, varchar. So let's put here 100, and the address, varchar 100. Okay, so we have our table now. So let's see show databases. Okay, so let's use sample. Okay, sample show tables. So we have a table named data, so let us describe the data. Describe data. So as we can see here, so the ID has int type, integer. So we have 11, primary key, and auto increment, the name and the address. Okay. Okay, so let us check to our phpMyAdmin. Localhost phpMyAdmin. Okay. Databases. We can see here the sample. Okay, let's click the sample. Data, this is the table. And here, yes, we successfully made a database through command line. So let's connect it to our code. So the name of our database is sample. Okay, so let's see if there are any changes. Base name, data. So this is the name of our table, data. Okay, and then let's save. Let's go to our index. Okay, let's change it to sample. So already put data here. So let's try it. Okay, so this is it. Let's try. Okay, Norman A. Mahinay Jr. So it's my complete name. Barangay Anakan. Okay, save. All right, so let's see here. Okay, so there it is. ID, name, address. That's it. Okay, so let's check our database using the command line. So how are we going to show the data that is inputted to our database? So let us type select all from data. So that is the name of our table. Okay, so that's it. You see the ID number 1, the name Norman A. Mahinay Jr., address Barangay Anakan. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much.